Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be making a fun striped Christmas lights cake with the help of the Surprise Cake Stand. This video is sponsored by Surprise Cake. More about that awesome product later. For now, let's build our cake. I have a 6-inch cake and it's already been crumb coated and filled. Here I'm going in with a final layer of frosting in the same green. After it's been completely covered, smooth it out slightly with a frosting scraper, fill in any pockets, and then smooth out the rest of the way with an extra tall square frosting comb. I sell these on my website, rosiesdessertspot.com. Fill in any pockets as you go and continue smoothing down. I don't mind if the crumb coat shows through so long as the raised section is nice and thick. Bring the leopard frosting to the middle and then freeze your cake for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will ensure that the frosting is nice and firm and we can add in our second layer without the two blending. I've used a piping bag and just filling in as best as I can those indented spaces. I recommend letting this sit at room temperature for a couple of minutes before you go smoothing it out, only because the super coldness from the cake will actually help to set that red buttercream, and then you can kind of scratch it off gently with a hot scraper. Bring that leopard frosting to the middle and then gently core out the center of the cake. This came with the stand. This cake will be assembled on the Surprise Cake popping cake stand. I won't go into a lot of detail on how to assemble this, but I will leave a link in the description box below that'll show you how to do it in full detail. The Surprise Cake Stand is available at surprisecake.com and I will link this in the description box below. It is totally reusable and can last many years to come. You can use a store-bought cake or a homemade one as long as the cake is between 6 and 10 inches in diameter and no more than 6 inches tall. You can also purchase a music box to trigger the popping stand as I have in this video tutorial, or you can simply pull on the trigger to release the popping stand. The stand can also transform into a popping cupcake stand by purchasing the Cupcake Kit. This turns your stand into a 3-tier popping cupcake stand and also comes with extra plates and a cupcake topper, which will be linked below. Inside the gift shuttle you can add in a smartphone, lots of colourful and fun candy, a ribbon for gender reveal, gift box, jewellery, gift cards, cash, the list goes on. It is especially perfect for a quarantine event, bringing that extra excitement to the table and festive spirit. From here you'll want to assemble your cake on the cake plate. Add it with a little bit of buttercream to your cake, stick that on, making sure the hole is centered with the little hole in the cake that we created. Turn it upside down and then take off your cake board. You want to fix up that top section, it will be naked, so you just gotta fill that again with buttercream. Smooth out the top, and then the next step would be to create the really pretty little fairy lights on the side. I did put my cake into the fridge for a little while first, just to really firm up that frosting on the outside in case I dented it. With a piping bag filled with black buttercream and a small piping tip, create teeny tiny little swirls as create a half circle sort of looping shape all around. I decided to stick to the green area for this. Then take some coloured buttercream for the little lights and cut out holes at the end of the piping bag just to create little circles rather than using so many piping tips. And press out until it touches the cake, let it build and gently pull down as you relieve the pressure. This will create little circular looking lights. For the center, we're going to fill our popping stand with the elf on the shelf. He fits in really nicely here, it's kind of perfect for this project. Pop the lid on and then place it in the stand and making sure you press down firmly until you hear the little click. Add on your cake plate to the shuttle and then fill the center with whatever you like. I've gone nice and deep with lots of Smarties here. Take a 32 piping tip and create a shell border all around the edge. I also did the same for the inside circle. And then again for the very base of the cake just to hide the seam. I recommend popping the cake back into the fridge for at least 20 minutes to let it set, and then when you pop this particular stand And because we didn't add any buttercream on the top, you don't really need it to be soft. So you can take it out of the fridge and it's all ready to pop when you're ready by pressing the trigger or using the music box attachment. And that's how you create a really fun Elf on the Shelf inspired cake using the surprise cake stand. See the link in the description box below where you can grab yours this Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this cake tutorial. If you recreate this, I would love to see it. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can see it as well. Thanks again for watching, and thank you to our sponsor Surprise Cake for supplying the cake stand for this video. Bye for now.